Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started CSSF 2016 tutorial series, and this is our lecture 13. And in our previous lecture, I have just started to design about flat slab with drop panel and column capitals. So this is our second part of our that lecture. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous lecture, and that playlist link are given in description as a playlist of CSSF 2016 tutorial for beginners. So, and also if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, because this channel is only for you. So let's start. So if you are from my previous video, then you know that I have defined everything that are required for our flat slab, okay, and with a drop panel and column capitals. So if I show you here, we have defined that, and we'll use that in our work. So first of all, I have to just draw the grid. So to draw grid, we have to just go here, edit, then grid data, then from here add or modify grid, then come here, and from here this is the global, and here we'll click here modify. Okay, so here to modify, here we have to give our data actually. So first of all, we have to select the spacing. Okay, here we have to select spacing, otherwise we can go for another way, cancel, and click here add new system. Okay, add new system, and from here actually we can simply select our data for our x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this is the number of grid. This is the number of grid. This is suppose in x direction it's 6, and in y direction it's 4, and our grid spacing, okay, our grid spacing suppose it's 20 feet to 20 feet. Okay, and after that we can go for change it. Okay, so edit grid. So from here this is showing us the every data, and we'll select our spacing. Okay, we'll select spacing, and from here we can change according to our requirement. Okay, what is the requirement of our grid system, we can change from here, right? So if you want to change that, you can change it, but I'm not going to change from here now. It's okay actually. Okay, it's okay actually. So it's done, then I'll go okay. Then also you can go for modify, so modify that system. So from here also you can modify that. Okay, then I'll just click here okay, and I'll click here okay. Just see here, this is our grid system, and you can also remove the background horizon. So simply to remove that horizon, go here, and from here untick it, then okay. So it's done. Now we'll draw slab here, and we'll go for our design process. Okay, so first of all, here to draw slab, just we have to click here for rectangle portion simply, or from here we can draw our slab. So simply click here, and from here this is a type, it's slab, and from here we have to select our desired slab, it's slab 5 inch. Okay, draw object using grid. Okay, we'll draw object using grid. So from that point to that point we'll draw our slab. Just see here, here is our slab. So we have successfully drawn our slab, and now I'll just close that, and suppose you can select here according to requirement, and just if you want to draw your column capital now, right now. So to draw our column capital, just we have to click here. Okay, just we'll click here, draw columns, simply click here, and from here this is the first of all we have to select the type, it's column. Okay, it's actually column, After that, they have two types of column. Actually, this first column is without column properties, because if you're following my lecture, then you know that. And the second one is column with drop panel. So I'll select that column with drop panel, and from here the important thing is the height below. Okay, what will be the height below our slab? What is the height? I'll consider it's 10 feet. It's 10 feet. Okay, and I will draw our column center. Okay, center of the grid. So from here, simply to draw column capital, simply sorry, I have done a mistake here actually. Just press here. Actually you have to press. Actually I've done a mistake actually here. We can draw our slab by using any of that option, because it will create a slab that are separate. Okay, that will create a separate slab for separate box, but we need a slab with, I mean, a single slab for whole area. That's why we have to select that slab by using that option. Okay, by using that option. So by using that option, we'll use our slab. So for that, you have to just press Ctrl plus Z and it will come back. Otherwise, you can click here to come back. Now click on it. Okay, click on it, and from here select your property slab. Then from here select your property. This is the slab also. Then from here, its drawing type, it will be a straight line. Okay, it will be a straight line. So from here, just simply click here, then click here, then again click here, then again click here, and again click here. So just see here, now our slab is okay. So we have draw a single slab. Okay, we have draw a single slab. So I'll just press escape. So it's done. Now if you want to extend your slab, okay, if you want to extend your slab in every side, just simply select that slab. By one click you can select now that slab. Okay, after that go here, edit, and edit area. Okay, so from here expand or shrink area. So from here the offset, what will be the offset? Actually this is suppose we'll give the offset is suppose 12 inch. Okay, so just see here, it's extend 12 inch in every side. Okay, it's extend 12 inch in every side. So actually we know that the extension of slab is required when we'll design a slab. So it is done. Now we'll go for our next procedure. So now we have to draw our column capital. So just simply click here with we'll draw our column with column drop panel. So from here we have to select column, and from here our desired column with drop panel and none, and from here we have to give the height below. Okay, what will be the height below? I mean floor to floor height. What will be the floor to floor height? It's suppose 11 feet. Okay, it's feet. Then it will be center, and there have many options. You can select that according to your requirement, but I will consider that it is at center. So it's done. Now just simply click here. Just see here is a drop panel, and again click here, again click here, again click here. So actually otherwise we can select wall column capital in same time like that. Okay, so we have provided column capital in middle. Now also we can draw column capital inside. Otherwise we can provide column capital, I mean we can provide beam in that side. So it's and depend on you that how we'll design that actually. Okay, so if you just want to suppose I will give the column capital for that middle portion. Okay, so that for that only middle portion I will do not provide any beam. That's why I will provide that column with drop panel, but inside I will just simply give the columns. So I will just give that column. To give column, just we have to select the only column. Okay, then simply click here. Just see here is a column. Also we can select that here, and here also you can select that here also you can select that, and here we can select that. So just see here, we have done that. Our work procedure is done. Now I'll just give in that site, I will just give now our beams. Okay, I'll just give here beams. Now we can simply draw beam. Okay, here we'll draw beam here. So to draw beam, just come here, just click here, draw beam. Okay, we can draw beam here, or otherwise we can draw a quick draw beam or line. So simply click here, and from here we'll select beam, and here is the beam size we have previously defined. You know that if you are following our lecture. So simply I'll just select that. So from here I'll just select that. I will also select here, and also I'll select here. So we have successfully defined everything in our model. Okay, and in our previous in our next video, I'll just complete our that model. So I'll provide load here, then after that I'll just providing load, I will just design and analysis, and also make a drawing for it, make a detailing for it. So thank you very much, and if you think that is helpful for you, so subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, and also like our video if you think that that's helpful for you, and also leave a comment. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.